That's a lot of damage.
As you can see, the previous owner left a bunch of junk in here, including this little sheep. It's my little buddy now. Sit him right there. That's the mascot. But I gotta get all this stuff, all this junk cleaned out, and then inspect where it needs rust repair after taking everything else out of the interior. So we got the trunk cleaned out. Previous owner self-tapped right there. See all the rust down here. It's a little dirty. Still got to clean all that out. See what needs cut out, put in. And it appears he lost the drain plug for the trunk. So he just glued a bunch of paper towels in there. Gotta do this. It's rusted out back there behind the wheel. It's starting to rust back there, but it's not all the way through yet. Got a lot of work to do still. So I got the car raised up. Gonna start dropping everything in the rear end. Gas tank, gas lines, brake lines, such and such. Get the rear crash bar out. I already snapped all the bolts holding it in. And then, hopefully, after that, go cut up my parts Mustang, take everything off that, strip that one, start cutting up this one, welding new panels in. Alright, so after some technical difficulties with one strap, I had to cut it in the middle. Got the tank drop, just got to disconnect everything. Then I'm moving on to the lines and whatever else needs taken off, and then cut it out. Got the gas tank out. Kept all the wires intact. Didn't care about the fucking metal lines, so I just cut those off. And it's not that bad under here. Expected worse. But hoped for better. As you can tell, I got the fuel filter off. Got all the lines for the fuel cut off and pulled. Just tucked them under there for now, get them out of the way. Got all the brake lines, everything ran down through there. Just gotta finish removing the rest of the engine bay wiring, all the small odds and ends in the way. And then once I move the Mustang to get it where I'm gonna cut it up, I'm gonna drop the front end, the rear end. Still gotta pull some wiring and everything that runs in the back and the interior. But yeah, we're making progress, getting close.